Hello, my friends. Today, I want to share with you why it's important to reduce extracted packaged juice for kids, both at school and at home. I'm not saying you shouldn't buy cooked juice. You can, but it's always good to be mindful of what goes into your body because we often don't know how those juices are produced. Personally, I take cold juice once in a while, but only on rare occasion. So instead, let's prepare fresh, healthy juice for the kids. I started by washing all the fruits thoroughly, orange, pineapple, and watermelon. After washing, I had to put them in silver to dry off water. Then I started with peeling off and slicing the oranges, then moved on to the pineapple, which was so sweet and juicy. Yes, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new, please do me a favor to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you get notified in each of my videos that I post. Finally, I cut the watermelon, also fresh and delicious. Yep, it was so sweet.
And I feel like eating it all.
Now it was time for juicing. I used the Binaton juice extractor, which separates the juice on one side and the chaff on the other side. I really do enjoy this extractor. Seriously, I juiced each fruit separately. The orange was separate, watermelon separate, and pineapple separate. I left pineapple for last because I needed its peel and chaff for making Zobo. So this was me bringing out the chaff. This is the chaff, you see it, and this was me pouring out the orange. The orange has to be in different container, the watermelon different, and the pineapple different. Not everyone in the house likes the mixed fruits, so it's time to prepare the zobo. I washed it and placed it into a pot. I added the pineapple peels. You can add now your pounded ginger and some cloves, but I choose to add it when it's boiled. So it's completely up to you. I allowed it to cook for 30 minutes. Then I added in the clove now and the ginger and covered the pot after turning. Then after 30 minutes, I had to sieve it out carefully into a pot. I tried to use pot, not plastic rubber, because it's very hot. It can melt the plastic rubber and it will melt out what you don't know inside what you are drinking. It's to cause more damage to your health. Then I added in the chaff extracted from the pineapple juice and I covered it. Now it's time to sieve it out again. You cannot decide to use a plastic bowl because it's no longer that really hot. Before doing this juice, make sure your heart is thoroughly neat. Then I added some of the extracted pineapple juice. This will add as the flavor for this Zobo. This is pineapple Zobo juice. I added in some sugar also to make it to be more sweeter. Yes, finally our Zobo juice is ready. I put everything into container. Yep, a healthy variety of drinks for school: Zobo, pineapple, watermelon, and orange juice, all fresh, all natural, and made right at home. This is what my nephew will be taking to school every day: fresh, delicious, and healthier than packed juice. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.